Hello and welcome to this video. We are going to learn how to multiply fractions. Now it's quite easy, it's not difficult. In fact, it's easier as compared to adding and subtracting fractions. So let's look at a few examples so that we can get to understand in a better way. So let's have 2/3 being multiplied by 2/5. So how do we go about it? So what we do is that we multiply the numerators. You get the product of the numerators separately. So product of the numerators and then you multiply the denominators separately. So you get the product of the denominators. So it's as simple as that. So for this one, when you multiply the two fractions using this process that I've just shown you, it's going to be, so you multiply the numerators 2 by 2, it's going to be 4, and then the denominators 3 by 5, it's going to be 15, and that's the final answer. It's as simple as that. Let's look at another one. So let's have 3/4 being multiplied by 2/3. Okay, so let's multiply the numerators. So it's 3 by 2, it's going to be 6, and then we multiply the denominators, it's 4 by 3, it's 12. Okay, so we have 6 out of 12, but we can simplify this further, and 6 out of 12 is the same as a half. Okay, so that's the final answer. So you can see it's not difficult. I know you could have other approaches of multiplying fractions. Let me know any other way that you can use to multiply fraction, or any other process apart from this one that I've just shown you. Let me know by commenting down below on the comments section. So if you find this video helpful, you can consider subscribing to this channel for more videos in future. Thank you for watching.